Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to order and pay on Shop app. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Shop app. So just open your Shop app and then here. So once you have opened up your app here, so log into your account. If you have an account, just log in. It's easy, it's free and easy. So once you got an account here, so what are you going to do? So now if you want to make an order, so you can now add something to add an item to your cart so that you can order it. So you can easily browse for, so if you go to the home page, you have a lot of stuff here, so categories, and you can just browse for whatever you're looking for, or else you can simply click on the search bar and then search for the item that you wish to purchase. So whatever it is, just add it to your cart. So for example here, let me choose something from clothing. So for example here, I'll choose these pants here. So I'm going to add this to my cart. So open up the item that you wish to order. So and then since this is a clothing, I'm going to choose the size, color, and then the quantity. So I'll just leave it as it is, and then I'm going to hit on add to cart if I'm going to add this to my cart and then continue with shopping, or if I'm going to just buy this and that's it. So I'll just put on buy now. So I'll straight away get to the payment page here. So when I get to this section here, so if I add it to buy now, so you'll get to this page here, so where you're going to edit your address. So hit on, if you're using a different address or your saved address, you can just use it, or if you want to change the address, hit on use a different address, and then what you're going to do, add your address details here, hit on save, and then next what you're going to do, you're going to add the payment method. So how do you want to pay? So for example here, if you use your card, so you're going to hit on it and then add your card details here. So once that's done, hit on save. So once I've added the shipping and card details, your address and card details, then scroll down, that's your order summary and everything. And all you have to do now is hit on pay now, and that's it. You will complete this order, payment will be processed, and your order will be completed. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to order and pay on Shop app. The process is pretty straightforward. So you just have to follow the prompts and then get it done, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.